Okay, so you can technically use sine and cosine law for any triangle, whether it's right angle or non-right angle. We have non-right angle triangles up right now. The easiest way to remember it is always try to use sine law because it technically is the fastest one to use. Okay? Always try to do what's easiest first. Now, in order to use sine law, you must have an opposite side and angle, the measurements to both. So, for instance, this is my side A, that's angle A, side C, side B. Okay, same thing over here, B, C, A. In this case, I don't have anything for angle A or side A. Okay, but I do have a side for B, but do I have angle B? No. I do have angle C, and do I have side C? Yes. So that means I can set up the ratio. And what that means is if you guys remember your sine law you can written two ways, sine A over A, or vice versa, you could flip it. Sine B over B, sine C over C. Okay? Now, what this means is because I have both C's, I can set up that part of the ratio. Sine 40 over 15. You need to be able to have a complete ratio in order to use sine law. Okay? B, we're looking for side angle B, we have side B. So I can set this up, and we have nothing for A, so we kind of drop it off. In this case here, I don't have any of the opposite ratios. So I would use cosine law, and I'm just going to quickly explain why. I'll write the answers here. So this is a sine law, and this one's cosine law. Okay. And what that would look like, if I tried to use sine law with this one here, I'll show you exactly what happened. Sine A, well, I have that angle, 78, but I don't have side A. Sine B, I don't have the angle, but I do have the side. So we say sine B over 10 is equal to, I don't have the angle again, but I do have the side, 15. So if you notice, none of these ratios are complete. I'm missing a number from each of them, therefore I can't solve for anything. I need to be able to complete the ratio in order to use sine law. So always try to use sine law, and if you can't use it, throw everything into cosine law. So this is a type of question where you need to use cosine law, or if you had the third side, maybe this was 12. If you have all three sides, you use cosine law. Okay? Because again, if you have all three sides, you don't have any of the angles, therefore you can't use sine law.